UNii Innovated Security, Fire Security. Some locations use fire detection. The UNii can play an important role here. Traditionally, fire and intruder detection have their own transmission and ARC connection. This results in a higher investment and additional subscription costs. The UNii has its own primary and secondary connection, so there are no additional costs. The EN54-21 certification removes the need for a fire alarm system transmitter and expensive contract. The fire alarm system is directly connected to the UNii, which will handle the communication with the ARC. Only one subscription is required. With an additional serial connection, even the detailed information can be sent out. Improve the communication by using this unique feature. All detector information is sent to the ARC, which enables them to inform the emergency services about the incident. The end user is being informed of the incident via the My Smart Control app. With the EN54-21 certification, the UNii ensures a safer and better informed environment. Visit unisecurity.com for more information.